If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.
Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in Advanced series where we are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on definite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 13 to question number 14D. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now if you come to 12, suppose we define a definite integral using the following formula. So this is the definition of definite integral. A to b fx dx is this one. For more accurate result, see any point between a and b, c, you can write fc is equal to this. And it is also given when, specifically when c is equal to a plus b by 2. If it is a plus b by 2, then this integration is this one. So you can apply this formula. Now they are asking 0 to pi by 2 sin x. Okay. So for more accurate, you will go for this one accurate. So if you take c a plus b by 2, any c a plus b by 2, then you can apply this directly formula. So if your a is this one, b is this one, then c will be equal to a plus b by 2. So this will be more accurate than this one. They are asking more accurate, so you can try this one. So if you apply this one, a to b fx dx, fx is here sin x, so it will be b minus a by 4, then this one. So you can calculate your fc also using this formula. So you put it there. This is small fc, this is capital FC to find the direct final output. So this small fc is small fx, that is already sin x they have given. So fa is sin 0 0, so f sin pi by 4, and 2 into sin pi by, it is pi by 2, it is pi by 4. So if you solve this one, this is your answer. So that is your option A. Next they have given if fx is a polynomial of this by t minus a whole cube, limit t tends to a, then for all a. So this limit answer they have given, then the degree of fx is at most. Now this limit, if you put t, this is 0, denominator is 0. If you put t, then it is 0 minus 0. So it is 0 by 0 format, you can apply L'Hopital. So you differentiate this one, and you can differentiate this one using Leibniz. So it will be ft, differentiation of t is 1, minus differentiation with respect to t. So if you treat this one as a constant, this one will be differentiation is half. Then if you treat this one as a constant, differentiation of this one is f dash t. But if you apply t is equal to a here, this is 0, this denominator will be also 0. So if you differentiate it again, so it will be 6t minus a, then it will be f dash, it will be half f dash, it will be again half, once it will be f dash. If you take this one constant, differentiation of t will be half, and if this is constant, differentiation of this one will be f double dash. So if you cancel it out, this and this will cancel, ultimately it will left with this. Again if you put t equal to, it is 0 by 0 format, so again if you differentiate it, this one, it will be of this format, because these two will come here. So 12 and it will be f double dash t. So now if you put limit, it will be f double dash a by 12, which is equal to 0 they have given. So f double dash a equal to 0. Now if you come back to, because you need fa, they are asking you fx. So if you integrate this one, it will be f dash a, which will be equal to some constant. Again if you integrate, if it will be fx, it will be kx plus c. So you can see the function fx is a linear function. It can go maximum linear, maximum at most the degree can be 1. It can be degree less than 1 also, 0. If it can be, fx can be some constant also, then first differentiation will be 0, second differentiation will also be 0, but at most it can be 1, because your second differentiation has to be 0. So that's why the greatest degree of this function can be 1. Now if you come to c, f double dash is less than 0, x is between a and b, c is any point which is in between a and b, cfc is the point lying in the curve for which fc is maximum. Okay, capital fc is the maximum, then f dash c is equal to, now capital F is the integration, so the differentiation of this one, f dash c, will be the differentiation of this one, because capital FC they have given for any value between c and b, this is given to you. So differentiation, they are saying f dash c, that means differentiation of this one with respect to c, because it is a function fc, this is a function of c. So you have to, here c is only variable, so you have to differentiate with respect to c. So this is constant, differentiation will be half. If this is constant, then differentiation fa will be a function of a, but you are doing with respect to c, so this is constant 0, so this differentiation will be f dash c. Similarly here also if you do, this is capital F, you are doing differentiation of this one. Now because c is the maximum point, so you know at maxima, you will know it in case of application of derivative, at maxima or minima, this differentiation is 0, so this differentiation will be equal to 0. So if you equate with 0, and if you take f dash c one side, you will get this answer, because you need to find this small f dash c. So this will be fa by fb, fa minus fb by a minus b, that is your option A. Now if you come to question number 13, find the value of this one they are asking. So suppose I am writing this is 5050, this one I am writing I 100, because it is going up to 100, this one I am writing I 101. Now they have to link between these two, then only you can express I101 in terms of express I100, then you can cancel this out. So if you start with 101, because from 101 you can come to 100, 0 to 1 this is this, so you can take 1 outside and 100 separately, this one 50 to the power 100. So this one if you do, so you can write it 1 into this and x to the power 50 into this. So 1 into this is this one, x to the power 50 into this. So this is already I100 and here it is of this fashion. Now to bring it, it should look like your this function. So you have to substitute so that this into dx sum becomes dt. So for that I am writing it x into x49. So why then, if I take x50 as a t, then this will come as dt. So you can write it x, I am giving 150 also because x to the power 50 will give me 150 also, and minus 50. So that's why I am dividing by this one. No need to do, you can directly substitute, it will get cancelled. Just you put it minus 50, so it will be minus 50 x to the power 49, so that you can see the differentiation. So you can now take x to the power, now instead of direct substituting x to the power 50 is equal to t, what I am doing, because that will make again it will root like this, so you can think of I am doing first function and second function of this fashion. Suppose this is first function and this entire thing is second function. So first function constant integration of this one. What will be integration of this one? What will be integration of this one if x is not there? If you take x to the power 50 as dt 1 minus x, then this will come. So it will be t to the power 100 dt. So t to the power 101 by 101. So it will be of this fashion. And minus integration of differentiation of first one is 1, and then integration of this one. This one is already, you know, this one. So this will be left. Now if you put this limit 0 to 1, this will be automatically 0. So you left with this one, which is nothing but I101 by 101. Now if you take I101 and I100, it will be of this fashion. So you can easily find out the answer is 5051. So somehow you have to bring this one. So here is the idea to take, this is first function, this is, because in second integration, if you do differentiation of this one, then that will vanish. So simple, this integration will come. So I100 will come because you need this one. If you come to 14a, they are asking this one is equals to. So again, this is if you put x equal to pi by 4, it will be 0 by 0 format. You apply L'Hopital. So the differentiation is 2x, this differentiation is f sec square x, then differentiation of sec square x. Again, you have to differentiate one more time. No, you can put x equal to pi by 4 because then it will not be a 0 by format. You can directly put x equal to pi by 4. So the answer will be of this one. So direct application of Leibniz and L'Hopital rule. Now they have given fx equal to this for n is greater than 2 and gx equal to f of it will go up to n times, they are saying. Then integration of this one into gx. So obviously you have to find gx. So first you take f of x. So you see what is the fashion. So f of this one, instead of x you will put this one. This is the x in f. Numerator this one divided by 1 plus to the power. Take little bit simplification because 1 by n, it will be 1 plus this x to the power n, this and this 1 by n, and n will get cancelled, and then to the power n. So if you do this one, it will be 1 plus 2x to the power n. Now you can see the original was x plus 1 plus x. If you do FOF, then it is 2. So if you do FOF, then it will be 3. You can get the idea. Or if you want to do, you can do it one more time. So if you do for n times, then it will be n will only come here. So you already got your gx. So once you know your gx, then you can easily integrate this one. This is your gx. So they are asking you, oh, sorry, this is your gx. So they are asking you x to the power n minus 2 into gx. So this is x to the power n minus 2 into gx. So this will be x to the power n minus 1. You can take easily 1 plus this one as y. So you will get this one, x to the power n minus 1 dx is equal to dy divided by n square. So this integration will look like easy. Lastly, we will substitute the value of y. If you see this one, 14c, if fx is an indefinite integral of sine square x, statement 1, fx satisfies fx plus pi is equal to fx. That means it is a periodic function because sine square x plus pi is equal to sine x. Okay, so if you integrate this one, what is the integration of sine square x? Because that is given fx. So sine square x 1 minus cos 2x by 2 if you integrate this one. So this is capital Fx. Whether it is periodic, you see this portion is periodic, but this is not periodic. So this summation will never be periodic. So obviously 1 is wrong. If 1 is wrong, then it is obviously option D. 2 is correct because you can see this one sin x plus pi is equal to minus sin x, but it is square, so it will be positive. So it is 1 wrong, 2 correct, that is option D. Now if you come to 14, they are asking to matching this one. These are simple formula based. This one, first one, because it is even function, you can break it from 0 to 1. This is tan inverse x. You put it, the answer is obviously option S. You will satisfy. Second one, it is direct formula of sin inverse x. It will be again matching with S. Third one is you can put a square minus x square formula. You can put by parts this one, partial fractions x1 minus x and x minus 1 if you do this one, or you can directly apply this formula a square minus x square if you know, no need to do this one. Then it will be p, and it is x into that is the direct formula of sec inverse x. If you do it is matching with R. So that is your answer for 14D.
If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.